Hey guys, Ugly Tourist here. Today I'm in La Union. I'm in Surf Town in the Philippines. That's right. And today I've got a couple important things to talk about. Let's take a walk. I'm in La Union, Philippines. Surf Town. I'm not on the beach. I'm on the main street where real life happens. Tourists are sipping coffee, taking selfies, buying trinkets. And the Filipinos, they're the ones actually catching the waves. I'm over here dodging tricycles. I'm sweating bullets. And wondering if I'm walking uphill both ways. You know what though? I kind of love it. This right here, the traffic, the trikes beeping at me, the smell of barbecue. This is the real Philippines. Oh, hello. You know what's different? You know what? I like Coron. I like Coron, but I think I like this a little better. Now this place didn't have the rides to the islands and stuff like that, but it also didn't have as many backpackers. It has hostels though.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
Looky here, there's one of Ace's baby dolls right there. Now there's a Barbie doll right there.
How you guys doing?
Let me get this out of the way. I love the Philippines. Not in that postcard or drone sort of way. I mean, I just like living here. I like the people, the food, the sounds, the heat, the whole deal. The whole kit and caboodle. Now I recommend a shake. You guys got to get a shake if you go to La Union. They make about the best shakes ever. Do I love the traffic? Hell no. The trash? No. La Union is good though. There's not much trash here. Look around. The stray dogs? Not really. But they're a part of it. I've seen it all in my first year. The good and the bad. I still love it, guys. This seems like a good place to take a girl. Other vloggers, well, they hate when I say that. They say, well, you're still new. You'll change your mind. Maybe, maybe not. I'm still out here living it. I'm not inside complaining. I'm not on the chat rooms complaining. I'm out here on the streets, talking to people, filming, sweating, eating, laughing. I am, guys. That's what I do. Empanada. Hey, this life's not perfect, but it's real. That's enough for me. How about it? How you doing? When I first got here, it was pretty rough. I didn't know how anything worked. The ink wasn't dry on my passport yet. The power went out. Nobody showed up on time. Things moved super slow. But after a while, I stopped trying to compare everything to back home. You just learn to go with it. Roll with the punches. Then when you do, your life gets better here. Exponentially. Exponentially. People will help you out. They'll remember you. They care about the small things that most people back home, they don't even notice. You know it. That's the reason I love it here, guys. The people. You don't meet this kind of kindness anywhere else. And don't mistake the kindness for weakness. Even people who don't have much, they're still smiling, still helping, still sharing what little they have. When I met Ding's family, they didn't ask for nothing. They just welcomed me. That's the kind of thing that kind of just sticks with you. That's the real reason I'm here, guys. Not the beaches, not the prices, not Ding's cooking, even though it's pretty good. You know, I gotta say, let me let them pass by first. I gotta say, when you get to the Philippines, 50%, you know, unless it's Angeles or Manila, 50% of the population, well, it opens up to you. I don't know if you know what I mean. Even as a 60-year-old, it opens up to you. That's pretty good. I've been in the Philippines over a year now. I've lived in Angeles, but I've been to Baguio, Coron, Manila, Cebu, Bohol. I've been to Boracay. I think I liked Iloilo the best. And now, La Union. Believe it or not, 7-Eleven's a pretty good place to hang out, if you know what I mean. Now, every place is going to be different, guys. Angeles is wild. Bohol is pretty calm, pretty chill. Iloilo's clean. Manila's crazy, chaotic. La Union, well, I like it pretty good. It's kind of chill. It's real, too. This main street I'm on right now, people are working, selling food, going about their day. This is the real Philippines, guys. You can be here. You too could be here. This is not the beach shots, except for that surfboard right there. They're not going to be in the travel guides. It is. It's real life in the Philippines. Guys, I love the Philippines. I know you guys, some of you guys hate that. Even when it's hard, I love the Philippines. Oh, I do. Because that's how life works. You take the good with the bad, guys. Now that's the first Andox I've seen right there. Look, 2 stories. They have a lot of chicken in there. Guys, you don't love a place because it's perfect. There ain't no place that's perfect. You love a place because it feels right. And I'll tell you what, La Union feels right. Probably not right for me. I woke up, I walked outside, and it's loud and hot. But it's 8 o'clock in the morning, and it's alive. Every day in the Philippines feels like it means something, unless I've had too much to drink the night before. Oh, by the way, yeah, these SM malls, they love the mall openings. That mall opening will be full. There'll be people coming in out of town to go see that mall opening. That seems like a good hotel, the Arpo. We might try that next time. Here comes a bunch of people.
I'm staying at the Surf Maid. Is that okay then? Thank you very much.
Guys, I didn't have the money to get in. That's horrible. I didn't have 50 pesos to get in. Yeah, they have all these beach places up and down. I couldn't recommend any hotels, except the one I was at. I've only been to one hotel. I'd like to have hot water, though.
Hey.
All right, guys. So, yeah, go ahead and tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me I'll change my mind in a few years. Maybe I will. But right now, I'm in La Union. I'm happy, and I love this country. They can keep complaining. I'll keep walking, filming, and living my best life here. I hate when I say that. But I'll tell you what, guys. I'm being 100% honest here. The ugly tourist loves the Philippines. Stay ugly, my friends.
Thank you for watching my video. This is your ugly tourista signing off. Stay ugly, my friends.